This is Jason with dvnation with a demonstration of the RAMDisk performance on our RAMRod tower PCs. What we can see here is the Anvil test of a Kingston HyperX SSD, a SATA 6G. Just for comparison, you can read those numbers such as 6,000 read IOPS on the 4K, 97 write IOPS on the 4K, and sustained read 454, sustained write 37 megabytes a second. And now what we're going to do is click on RAMDisk R and run the tests. The RAM disk in our RAMRod PCs are permanent, which means you can install your favorite programs and use it as a scratch disk. We put the Windows page file there for you, and it's permanent. When you reboot, the information is still there. And that is because if the information on the RAM disk changes, then it is written to the SSD when you shut down and then reread when you boot. Anvil is a fairly new test, but we like it because of all the different things that it tests without you having to get too technical. So it's a good apples to apples comparison. The RAM disk in the dvnation RAMRod PCs can be anywhere from 10 gigabytes up to 42 gigabytes or so in size, depending on the amount of RAM that you order. Alright, looks like it is done. We got a sequential read of nearly 7,000 megabytes a second. Sequential write 6,500 megabytes a second. Read IOPS over 1 million. 4K read IOPS 1.6 million. And then on the right side here, 295,000 on the 4K, 830,000 4K QDEP4. So you can just read that and compare that to the performance of any other drive that you're going to get in any other system.